All right, Yema Obibia Kwaba at the bar SOTV football and also Porcupine stand. Senior, now what you weigh Yenemaka, Mel said, say Monipa 50 and a war a year Porcupine stand. So, Michelle, we have pin message now, Sorono. Bo said that was the game will be live on SOTV football. Michelle, click on that link and go to SOTV football. Michelle, Nipa 48 na mo wahano ye di preview mo na ya osha mo into a year the game itself I be USO TV football on say yeah announcement na it ya fe and edru so me catch them say the game will not be live on Porcupine Stand because of copyright reasons ye tia me now so but SO TV football there I can decide to risk it. But please bring in Newton to your show to explain Kotoko tactics because it's exposed the team to other teams and coaches. Aside that, he didn't work for a different team. That is Gabi TV. I'll come and talk about that. Don't worry, Gabi, my kind of comments. No. Again, I'll say first to comment. I'm watching you live from Italy, Napoli. Owusu Yeboah. Maxwell and Kotoko today. We don't want any disappointment here. All the best. Enti nipa 63 na mo hano mesemo click on the link and go to SOTV football. The game is a honey be game no. A honey be game no mesrewa. Mempe situation anim ba beka say na say wo kasa ya enti me di kan eno kra ka on live and you starting terminal. Yeah down there chire di ama so when you go there a honey be game no. Ti the moment you be start ya pick feed no you be close to a view no. Ewa ha say ye be close to Porcupine Stand there na SOTV there no kwa nti me srewa go there and let's interact in free hall. Okay this Porcupine Stand. Okay, let me read this comment. Maxwell Richard Mensah say Kotoko win today. What has Babaya done to this coach since Che is not performing? We need nothing but a convincing win. Okay, Nina comment about Porcupine Stand. I mean, call SOTV. Now, I mean, read the comment about SOTV. Well, Solomon, I'm what to say. I'm the first person here watching you live from Ahafo region. Dr. Solomon Amua. Dr. Solomon Amua, me da sepa. Enti sene migusu boko kona. Feinia started. Into bar. Just click on the pin link. No, bon said. Ya pini link be. Click on that, it will take you straight to a SOTV football. A honey big game, no. A honey preview. Dr. Downso, also Mr. Downso, Canada. Good job, brother. God bless you. Okay, that is Joseph Downso. Once I'm a bar, me kind comments. Nah, me kind comments. Maxwell and you say I'm here, SOTV. Yes, thank you very much, Maxwell. Gabi TV, Gabi, me read you a message, you know. Your issue about Newton, I'll explain that to you. I said, so, but what happened on Wednesday was a rude and awakening, and it has happened before. John, me nimdi esi ukwada o. So be kaimia, kebe boame pa. Me nimdi esi ukwada. So, but it is truly good that Kotoko, okay, that Asare is benched today because truth be told, Kamara is better than goalkeeper Asare. Okay. Any comments, Nibi? Maxwell and Chelsea keep showing us Kotoko, keep showing us Kotoko match. Keep it up. Okay, Maxwell me da sepa. I'll say you can't church mu. Porcupine Stand there, the way if I build the channel, no. Me sure say we nyina be dia dance here say copyright channel na ha me nkwa be ha mu nyina nti SOTV ne dey up and coming we say ono ye ne hwe kura enye yie. Yes, very soon yeah the way no so be count SOTV commentary no so be ba nti mu nyina me sra mo just click on the link and move there. Just click on the link and move there. Me sra mo a me pamcho na enti me boa ma dwuma de ne nkoso whilst we read the comments. I say Kotoko still arise and shall win the league. Okay, Babaya should have started before Che Jamana and Abbas so commenter or the Abba or say the best team in Ghana is Kotoko. Kotoko all the way. Where Michael, Richard Mensah, Nana question, say good afternoon. God bless you, sir, for the good work. Thank you very much. Gabby TV, your point does not hold water. Newton comes to explain tactics, exposing teams. Okay. I'll handle the Newton bit. Now, there is something that is coming. I'll explain that later. Also, watching us from Boris R is Argentina. So, but Coach Ogum is not listening. Playing in team together, playing in team men together, lack balance in the middle. I wish Kotoko best of luck. Why is Babaya instead of Awuche next time we should try the Nigeria import? Thank you very much. Nipa 91 na mabano mesremwa. Click on the link and go to SOTV. The same thing, just that a drew bear 240 or corner. Ye newborn waha, ye newborn or porcupine stand to mesremo. Ya kan ya chirimu for copyright reasons. Ye decided say you run November, ye can say November, ye jai. Because you pass them, you share no dorsal. Oh, I know be afro, one of our criticizing, you know, who the abeyo, San your money in ya bread, into you SOTV, Opa strike SOTV and fire home. We're striking a 10, how do you beat me in a 10? But porcupine stand here, Seremo. Do well and click on a year. The click on the Seremo, so Timia. Do well and click on the kind of saying the pin link, you know, and move to porcupines and move to SOTV football. May chamo so say 102, 107. Click on that link and move there. Thank you very much. Very soon we'll start digesting the game itself. Near whilst we read the comments. A lot of people are sharing their opinion on the starting 11 of Asante Kotoko. Dropping off a year goalkeeper. Your friend Freddie Kasari for Mohamed Kamara. My mom for sure more opinion pa. To over porcupine standard. Just click on the link. Just click on the link. Pin link, you know. And the first a year message at top. Click it. Then foumbra SOTV. Mesrewa. Me pamocho. Monya said you might click. Then foumbra SOTV. Okay, Daniel Ajima was here. Weakest link in the team is Awuche, but it's the coach favorite Saka. Yaya and Entry can do better in that position. Thank you very, very much. Well, Mr. Wa, click on the link. Click on the link. Abbas Yusuf Bamba, I'll say Chebafo should not have start this game, but Baba should have start. Okay. So the video analyst conversation before you eventually come to the discussion. Video analyst conversation. Mr. Gabby TV na akofa discussion we about. Gabby. Very soon, I remember having this discussion with one former Kotoko PR person. Very soon, media houses will start buying softwares from outside. Also, our software now Sky TV and ESPN Usua. Amount data of everything piano. Very soon, journalists say Sam, I'll come to your messages, maybe. Very soon, journalists will start buying that software. Now, when journalists start buying that software, journalists tell you money so be kasan we didi. Ye kasan ye didi. Until when they start buying that software, I know a journalist what taught the demo version of that software. And so our software a ratim, you can say software be ratim one. A ratim no yi team ni munsem ne strategy ne passes e yi bibiaba. So very soon, send your Oshe EPL abon say omo the data ni adi two screen so no. E bi be Ghana football mo. Until I think the teams need to upgrade. But edumane be thing. Edi ama clubs no. I side with you, but in Central Force, yes, eduma the kasa ni edidi ho. Edi kasa no modern way ni say you have to explain tactics. Until video analysis na there. They say GF no crack courses or what training a lot of video analysts, no. Then you should expect say bebre pa neba a omo be start aya analysis no on clubs no and say clubs are kesian na obia po mo asemetie, so it will still be kotoko and hard to folk na enti you be kind of saying adwuma na edin interesting times ahead pa ewo nhihye ne nkomonum enti ebedin si ebetimi akase ebejai clubs no beka so mu jai ana say journalists beka so mu jai so mu wura clubs mu normal pass omo pense mu. It is up to the clubs to take it to the next level, but we will come to that. Everybody nyina so ewo ho nti Mr. What joining me ewo you kind of saying Porcupine Standard o share soro ha bo se pini message bi in orange. And you actual Porcupine Stand with Selbed and at www.bbsoso. O boss our link na be take you straight to SOTV football. Ebe take you straight to SOTV football. Me twem wo ho. Mumu bebre na mba ho. Nti me kai comment o SOTV football. Michael Amwakon or say it is my wish and my hope that my darling team Kotoko will break the 1-goal project today and win by 2 goals or more. Best of wishes to them. Ofori Albert ose Kotoko all the way Kotoko 2 Lions 0 migusu chemo ewo SOTV football o me chemo me seremo numbers no koswa na page wa ha enti egusu chemo. Yes, the game will be live on SOTV football. Mumu bebre subscribe to her. Also, but I agree with you, and I don't have a problem with him coming to your show. But he worked for a different team aside that which Newton seemingly worked for Kotoko. I said we na make okay. What am I mean? So you better come watch them later. You better come watch them later. So the lineup. Let's discuss the lineup quickly. I will say a lot of comments on the lineup. Mohamed Kamara starts ahead of Frederick Asare. Well, we are sharing live no. I share my last video no. Me de to manim say Asante Kotoko team na eda ho no. Asante Kotoko team na eda ho no. Ensem pi. Frederick Asare to start no. Me catch them enti also be or share me bia me de to se munya abotre. Let me post the link no. I mean post the link na betimi ama wo. Akọ SOTV quick no. Now I subscribe wakọ share game no ho. Masadi atum sesi a me de atum Porcupine Stand. Mo am complain no. Esere mo join me ho. Me de atum sesi a. So it's a 4-3-3 system. A 4-3-3 system and a coach Ogum. Ebo 4-3-3 system and Asante Kotoko coach FN Ogum. Ebo. And Ghana going to introduce VR. Maybe say no so. I'm out for the discussion point about. Mesra o free Porcupine Stand now be PM wo. SOTV. I know what mama high. Now my read you comments no. Good. Most numbers na start page our SOTV. Na yenke jangum. Ghana Premier League. Some no doso. You compa you come we chire ha. Anya asem ketwa. You come pa na ye hwede Nyankopon so. Obeye amanema ewo ye hihye die mu nyina. Hello. O join me yes. O join me anu ama me high no. No ama me high no na bibia etimi akoyie. Wo awucha asemi. Okay. On say me catch them say Asante Kotoko after the team wire friend Samates issue no. Kotoko next match be the military Beba Stadium. On me kasa asem ne kire o. Me catch them say Kotoko the military Beba Stadium. Me catch them. Say Asante Kotoko company form pe echitafo bia. Obia sebe baba ye sebe nsemhunu bia na akwa ntokwa abra Asante Kotoko ne club bia ntino military ebeba venue ho moving forward yebo game new year enya de a ye ba be bie gate bia ma obia Say oh popular stand near be popular stand gate ama no afa hoko fie. Say oh center line na ye be center line gate ama no afa hoko fie. Na bibia timi akoyie. Aha. Ne bia ama no afa hoko fie nya de a ye ba be bie gate bia na afi obi e ba be wura mu ba bia na akwa nsem bebre aba. I remember telling all of you that story. Okay. Indeed, sa pepepe ene ekoso oboase. Asante Kotoko mpanimfo aye ho adwuma pepepe military ni wo ho. Nti obi ambesoso obi aso. Emma obi ankofa asem bi emba. Enkofa oye ne bi emba embeto obi a. Nti kokwa no ahwe ho yie e wo boase amame. Wo hwe ho yie wo boase e beboa me pa na ankofa asem bi amba eja. Yempe watim wakame bia nti epon a military ne be protecting your kama na ma bibia etimi akoyie all the way ewo opoase na asumdwe so etimi aba na saa suban na amanfo bi ba na awo etim no so ne yepon a bas no ebedi awo etim na nim kama military no ebedi awo etim no enim no ma yom kama kakra na omodi omafri eye what we call say omodi omafri eye stadium ho na samates issue ni biem ansa ankosi ankofa nsem bebraba me say mesrew if you just join me click on the link and join me on SOTV football mesrew and I search SOTV football obeba na feed na wa ha na bi wo ho but aha porcupine stand ye nyi ball no ye warm up ye kind comments na later ye game no e wo SOTV football ho de copyright sem bia no minsuro mesrew do that for me. Na emboame bibianko. So, the goalkeeping department, the change that most of you were calling for is finally in with goalkeeper Frederick Asare on the bench for Mohamed Kamara. Well, therefore, Justice Blay is the captain of the day because on a deputy captain. And he said, deputy captain, no, say game no koso. Na deputy captain say you kind of say main captain you want as a deputy captain and jumedi no ye de be nsa na wa handle eye echire ho e de ama Asante Kotoko. So the deputy captain is in charge and that is Justice Blay. Well, you catch them say ablo enya suspension because of accumulated yellow cards. Ablo enka team no ho. Nti a back four of Abrantia, your friend Blay and his good friend Samba O'Neil. Omo ena kire se wo mo ejinemu edema Asante Kotoko. Ewe kire Lord Amoa and Patrick Asiedu enu a me de tomanim say Patrick Asiedu is fully fit and he's ready to play for Asante Kotoko. Lord Amoa and Patrick Asiedu and ejina ho edema Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko in Shishi middle of Michael Che Jamana and Andrews Intimenu. I mean, solid player for Asante Kotoko this season. Michael Andrews Intimenu has been in a wonderful form for Asante Kotoko this season. Wow, form wa ano shepa form na no she a niji former. You love him, every bit of him you love based on ne performance for Asante Kotoko. Into also ejinemu den edema Asante Kotoko. Ewo enshishenum Emmanuel Entry is the creative midfielder. Ono and about the number 10 row. Emmanuel Entry about number 10 as usual. Entry ejina number 10 ho juma edema Asante Kotoko kama ne bibia etimi akoyi and Abrantia, your bonny D, a friend Dauda Saka. Thank you very much. More joining me. SOTV. Yes, me say search SOTV and join me there. I wanna give me a bit stream. Porcupine stand there. They pick comments now. Whilst we usher you to SOTV. Intimisrao, join me. SOTV. SOTV quickly. Na mintimin keja engum ho. Na emboa me bibia entimi enkoyi. So. Tawuda Saka no me catch them say game no Saka ever started, and Saka is starting alongside Michael. Sorry, Elvis Chebafo. Chebafo hui ena nkofo chere madwene adeadea. Amanfo say Chebafo hui. Any kwan say Chei a starting game no. Amanfo say any kwan say Chei a starting a game no ewo ho. Amanfo say any kwan say Chei a starting game no. Okay. And also assemble ko ho. Amanfo say yeah come more some starting game na. It shouldn't be Chebafo. Okay. And also back or higher the my mom said there be. You can say Chebem. That is a massive discussion ekoso. Yabe heni nyina ho asem na yaka na aboama dwumadi no etimi akoyie ewa ha. Okay. Na amadimadi na etimi akoyie. And people are also talking about that. But all in all, don't forget say Abrantie Freno Awuchi Coach Ogum believe no. I starting one coach no. I starting our match we can't say much into one coach no. I starting our game no. And Albert Amwa last week I catch them say my player of the month undisputed enye kasa bebre Abrantie Freno Albert Amwa. I mean Kotoko share 5 goals in the month of October. Albert Amwa Nkwa share 4. Swatias or share 4. In the last 4 games, Albert Amwa share go. Eddie ASANTE KOTOKO winning in. And me sure say if there is any way to describe a player, say on only player of a year the month, or which me can anything else apart from that. Yes, I think in my books. Albert Amwa NBG the player of the month in the month of a year October. Na Abuame Bibia etimi akoye. Fernando Wisdom Bassi is on the bench. Wisdom is on the bench. Hey, asabo and ebeye dwese ene ebeye dwese Coach Bashir Hayford. Bashilistic Hayford. Osi wino, osi ono ope wino. Coach Bash si ono ope win. And now made to my name said draw specialist. Draw specialist. Team wa ye friend no Heart of Lions ewa away matches. Udi akura send your no be draw akona akono bi no yim kura be show. Away matches. Udi agura send your Heart of Lions no be draw bi no. Yim kura be show. No be draw akona bi ama yim be show. Enti eno so de wo ho enti mesere wa na wa hye ne so de ama me. Very soon you be close to feed no porcupine stand. Maka kire mo. Ya announcement na very soon. So mesere join me wa so TV because you be fa link no. You fa link no so dia it cannot appear on porcupine stand for copyright reasons. Enti mesere wa just click on the link and join me ewo SOTV. Mesere wa ahobrase kwanu. Join me ho. Ye ba be fa feed no right from Obuasi. Ye nche ye be fa feed no every Obuasi. In the next 5 minutes we start picking the feed. Send ye be ma mo live no so be say game ye be yi. Because he started picking feed, near starting ye in your mano, and the chirem ye Obuasi in your man chiremo. And if you are picking the feed, you decide that this month you pay any issue of copyright. Enti, yeah, in the next bare 2 minutes, you be end a live no ewo porcupine stand. Na koka SOTV nkwa. So just migrate there. Osha link na abun se wo ho. Utie mi a osha link na abun so esremo a pamchaw. Na yentimi start and pick feed no. Ni yentimi starting fan yoma and to so mamo. I think say we've had a lot of discussions. Yeah, we are born Messi start yi Obuasi nyoma. Ede chiremo ede free Obuasi. Nti ye be start yi dia na kire se yentimi entimi enye no sa wati ase ha ntimi srewa wuramu mame pachowa na nyankopon enka wakoba na join me quick because ye kofa eye warm up videos wati ase ye kofa warm up videos na ya fa interactions no so kakra ede free ho na aboama bibia etimi akoye enti quickly just do the honest and show me love. Kyerɛ me dɔ na move quickly. Na bra baby I kind of say porcupine stand ba SOTV. Until let me see the numbers reducing here. Na mintimi fa feed no ene ho nneoma and to so emfa mo. Good. Yes, send me kind enche. You be start up picking your man right from OBUASI warm up and other things. And join me. Ewo SOTV. Join me. Ewo SOTV. Mr. Join me. SOTV. Waba porcupine standard. Free Hana call SOTV quickly. Thank you very much. Send you bit me a pick feed, Send you bit me a pick a feed, Na etimi abwa. Nina feedback. So we are just switching. We are doing a quick switch. Quick switch. Na yetimi ede OBUASI nyomano. Etimi ede atoso ede amamo. Na from warm up to other things, yetimi a display was screen so. Na bibia etimi akoye. Na ako 101. Well, it's going to be a long afternoon. Can't long afternoon. You say bibi boni besio, but and then asante kotoko chita afu eni abre papa. Amanfu eni abre rough. Me share discussion be a cost of platform ba akwa me also a obi e kan ene de wino. And again, I don't think say pressure will be to Amakotoko. I mean, as a club like ASANTE KOTOKO, it is used to winning. It is a amount for calling for winner. Many sure say it is something beyond a year. The players of ASANTE KOTOKO to deliver that for a year. The fans of ASANTE KOTOKO send ye numrei eni jebet miaba. Nama amount for timia fa feelings. There. So what you say? I say eni jet me ba because Wednesday no eni je namba. Wednesday no call for jai. Man for fu bruta. Man for fu because we teams na na kotoko ni omo bona na obi anim say we dey ye kofa win na ansa. Enti quickly join me whilst I am wrapping it up. I'm calling it of a day or a year porcupine stand. So just switch to SOTV. Switch to SOTV. Mr. Switch to SOTV. Na yemfa bibia enkoye. Thank you very much. More porcupine stand ye menema wie.